Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about revision number 6, detailed questions. It's for class 6th. Some detailed questions I am explaining today's class. Okay. So see here in the history part, chapter number 7, new ideas. Question number 1 is there here. Describe the basic ideals of Jainism. Basic ideals of Jainism. So next question, describe the basic principles of Buddhism. So next question number 3, the first empire chapter. What was Ashoka's Dhamma, and how did he propagate it? So next question number 4, explain the impact of Kalinga War on Ashoka. So next question number 5, write something on the economy of the Mauryan Empire. Okay. So next chapter, life in towns and villages. Some important questions. Question number 6, how did iron revolutionize the agricultural process? So so these lessons are history part, chapter number 7, new ideas. These two questions are the question number 1 and question number 2. These are the chapter number 7, new ideas questions. Describe the basic ideals of Jainism. Describe the basic principles of Buddhism. So next chapter number 8. The chapter number 8 is there in history part. The first empire. What was Ashoka's Dhamma and how did he propagate it? And question number 4, explain the impact of Kalinga War on Ashoka. So next chapter number 9. So see here the village, towns and villages, that okay, the life in towns and villages. These two questions are there. Write something on the economy of the Mauryan Empire. How did iron revolutionize the agricultural process? Now geography part. See here, continents and oceans. It's a chapter number 6, continents and oceans. I am taking some important detailed questions. Question number 7. Write a note on the continents of the world. Question number 8. Give the importance of oceans. Okay, so these two questions, chapter number 6, continents and oceans. Next, chapter number 7, major relief features of the world, some important questions I am giving here. Question number 9, write a note on the importance of plains. So next question number 10. Describe briefly the various ways in which plateaus are formed. So next question number 11. Give the important features of fold mountains and block mountains. Okay, see here. So these are the questions of chapter number 7, major relief features in the world. See here, the questions are there. So give the importance of oceans, completed here. Write a note, the importance of plains, and describe briefly the various ways in which plateaus are formed. Next question, give the important features of the fold mountains and block mountains. And next question, again I am continuing here. See here, it's a chapter number 8, India physical features. Question number 12. Describe the Himalayan region of the Indian subcontinent. Next question, write a note write a note on the northern plains. Northern plains of India. Of India. Question number 14. Give a brief. Give a brief description. Description of the coastal regions. Coastal regions of India. So these are the questions. Chapter number 8, India, Physical Features. Describe the Himalayan region of Indian subcontinent. Write a note on the northern plains of India. Give a brief description of the coastal regions of India. So next questions are the political science. Chapter number 5, Panchayati Raj. So next question I am continuing here. Explain the importance. Explain the importance of Panchayati Raj. Panchayati Raj institutions. Institutions. So next question, what role does the Nyaya Panchayat perform in a village? Perform in a village. So next question, rural administration. Some important questions. What is the role of the local police in maintaining law? In maintaining law. Maintaining law and order in villages. Okay, next question. Why is the role of the Patwari significant in a village? So next question, urban administration. Question number 19. How are the members of the municipal corporation elected? And next question, what are are the main functions of the municipal corporation. Municipal corporation. Okay. Next, rural livelihood. Some important questions are there here. Okay, what are the 3 levels of farmers? Okay, no. See here. How do landless peasants earn their livelihood? 21. What is difference between a large and small farmer and small farmers? Okay. See here. These are the main questions, important questions for the detail in this history part, geography part and political science part. See here, some questions are there on the board here. Describe the Himalayan region of Indian subcontinent. Write a note on the northern plains of India. Give a brief description of the coastal regions of India. Explain the importance of Panchayati Raj institutions. What role does the Nyaya Panchayat prefer in the villages? What is the role of the local police in maintaining, okay, see here, maintaining law and order? Okay, order in villages. Why is the role of the Patwari significant in a village? How are the members of the municipal corporation elected? What are the main functions of the municipal corporation? What is the difference between large and small farmers? So these all detailed questions, you prepare it well, practice more, and next revision, I am continuing next class here. Revision number 6, detailed questions all are completed here. Okay. So next revision I am continuing next class. Thank you.